Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola E5 Play, and I will show you how to wipe cache. So to start off, you will need to power off the device. So hold the power button and select power off option. Now once the device shuts off, you will hear this vibration noise. That means that it's off, and you can proceed into next step. So basically we will hold power button and volume down. Okay. And from here we will select, using volume up and down to basically scroll to the menu, recovery mode, and confirm it with power button. Now you will see this Android logo, and you'll hold power button and press volume up once. Okay. And now you're Android recovery mode, and once again use volume keys to scroll up and down the menu and confirm it with power button. So we will select wipe cache partition, confirm the power button, more times select yes and confirm the power button, and as you can see, wipe cache complete, or cache wipe complete. And you can now just press one more time power button to, as it's selected, reboot system now, and the phone will turn back on normally, and basically the entire process will be finished. So let's wait for the device to turn on. I have the setup passcode, so just unlock the device. And as you can see, the device is back on, and cache wipe is complete. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.